What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos Education Channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. And of course, you know I got my man Jay Steels with me. What is going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it was Pepe season, but it is still meme season. And here at ClearCryptos, we think we may have found the next Pepe gem. Justin, take us away, man.
Yeah, so with it being meme season, we got Wojack, and Wojack has skyrocketed 1,040% in the past 7 days, which is absolutely crazy. So the meme coin Wojack is up over 1,000%, attracting the attention of speculators. However, experts, always the experts, man. I think the experts just don't want us to make any money.
It's right? Funny how everybody's an expert when the market goes up 1,000%, but when it's down, right? Everybody's like, "I told you it sucks." But go ahead.
Right? They're warning of investing in coins without utility, like because all the coins with utility are, pumping right now. Maybe I don't know. And who are these experts? I want to meet these experts, damn it. But anyway, it is not uncommon for meme coins to enjoy a spurt of popularity and the market then lose interest. Wojack is an Ethereum-based meme coin on the drawing of a bald man with various expressions, and has had a great week in the market. So I've never actually seen Wojack before, but let's get into this history a little bit. So Wojack has been listed on a variety of exchanges, including BitGet just this week. Huobi began listing the coin in April, and it's also on BTSEX, BingX, LBank, and SuperX. And the meme originated on the R9K board of 4chan around 2010. This week's trend has not quelled skepticism about Wojack. The meme may have performed well. However, Wesley, XAI founder and Roots Labs and ex-head of innovation at Huobi, is wary. So this is our expert right here. He's the head of innovation at Huobi. X, though, so that means he's not really that anymore. So I don't know if we should believe this guy. But in a discussion with Bean and Crypto, he said buyers should be cautious about buying into the hype. The reason we call meme coins is the lack of utility and are all full of hype. Unlike ETH or other altcoins where people can verify their activities on chains, meme coins do not have fundamental value, but provide a pure sense of gambling. And people making money and people having fun. Have you ever gone to the casino and heard people complain about gambling like they didn't know what they were there for?
Hey man, that's because there's no experts there, Justin.
Oh no, there's just the dealers that are there taking money. I'm sorry.
There's no experts there. There's no expert analysis there.
So Eric Sabersky, vice president of data science, who at the TIE told Being Crypto, it's typical to see an initial surge in activity in meme coins when they first appear. So a month later, when we still have activity. All right, cool. He went on to say, however, this activity typically dies down within a day for most new ERC20 tokens. Wojack, interestingly, is showing a spike 2 weeks after its initial rise. Yeah, and Pepe, 3 weeks, or maybe even almost close to 4 now. There are currently about 4,000 active addresses making about 12,000 Wo transactions per day. Dang, that's a lot. This is not quite the same as the initial value mid-April, but it's still a respectable amount. Yeah, I mean, honestly, Hobbs, and I think we share the same opinion. Man, these experts can say whatever they want. They're missing all the fun. They're missing the gambling, and people know what they're here for. We are all adults. We all can make our own decisions. I don't care what an expert says. When you got a token that made you 1,000% return in a week, that is going to create people wanting to get a piece of the action. It's not, it's gambling a little bit, but you gamble responsibly, right? You don't go to the casino and bet it all on black and just hope that you win. No, you spread it out a little bit. Maybe you only put 50 on black and then you put your other 50 on a number, right? So, I think these guys just need to move out the way and let people have their fun and make their money, because that's all meme coins are doing right now. So what do you think, Hobbs?
I think that they're just missing the point, right? Just like you said, it's all about having a good time. We're making some money, right? We're making money while playing in the meme coin sector. So let us have our fun, whether it be Pepe, whether it be Wojack, it doesn't matter. As long as you're going in there, understanding the risk, we don't need CoinMarketCap to put a big sign over our head and say, hey, this token is risky. And this token, we know all of that already. We've been in DeFi long enough. For those of you that haven't been in DeFi long enough, welcome. This is the Wild Wild West, where sometimes you make a lot of money and sometimes the casino takes your money. So understand where you are, understand where you're going to play. And if it's Wojack or Pepe, we here to support. That being said, please make sure you drop a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come back over to the ClearCryptos education channel where we cover multiple tokens and multiple topics. Make sure you get over here and check out myself and Jay Seals, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.